Oscars 2025 James Bond Tribute. Hit or miss?
The James Bond tribute at the Oscars 2025 was a musical segment honoring the legacy of the 007 franchise and its longtime producers, Barbara Broccoli and Michael G. Wilson. The tribute featured performances by Margaret Qualley, Doja Cat, Raye, and Lisa from Blackpink. Margaret Qualley kicked off the tribute with a dance routine to the iconic Bond theme.
Lisa performed Live and Let Die, originally by Wings.
Doja Cat sang Diamonds Are Forever, originally by Shirley Bassey.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10.
Raye rounded out the performance with a rendition of Skyfall, originally by Adele. The tribute was introduced by Halle Berry, who highlighted the contributions of Broccoli and Wilson to the Bond franchise. This segment was meant to celebrate the 60-year legacy of James Bond, especially in light of Amazon MGM gaining creative control of the franchise. However, the tribute received mixed reactions from viewers, with some questioning its relevance to the current year's films and others expressing disappointment that no new Bond film or actor was announced. If there's anything else you'd like to know, feel free to ask.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.